Another beautiful day for golf.
Let's see who has the best swing today. Welcome to the Lego City Annual Golf Tournament. Let the games begin.
A golf tournament, huh? Needs a little spice. Focus, Greg, focus!
Good luck, Greg.
Time for an upgrade. This tournament is about to get yulky.
Almost there. Looking good, Greg.
Precision is key. Just a millimeter. Time for the perfect shot.
That felt different. Did it wobble?
What in the... Course? Golf course. Is this an egg? Huh?
An egg? Interesting. Very interesting.
Judge, this isn't a golf ball.
Rules state spherical object. It's mostly spherical.
Fine. An egg golf shot it is.
Oh, my bricks! This is a first!
Seriously?
My turn, I guess. Please proceed, Grace. No funny business this time.
Round 2. They'll never learn.
I'm splattered. Well, that's not going in the hole.
2 eggs, Grace? Really?
It wasn't me. This is no coincidence. It's Pete. Pete!
The prankster.
Hi, guys.
Pete, explain yourself. Prankster Pete, explain yourself. The scoreboard has been completely scrambled.
It was just a little egg-cellent.
You got yolk on my new top!
My perfect score is ruined.
It was just a little fun.
This is a professional tournament, Pete! You've disrupted play!
But
It was funny.
That's enough! I've made my decision! Your punishment, Pete! You get to clean up all those eggs!
All of them?
Every single one! Enjoy your new job, Pete!
Forever. See you next year, Pete.
Maybe bring a spatula. Hard work, isn't it?
The hardest.
Think tway next time, Pete.
Note to self: no more egg pranks. Almost. Done. Whew. Mission accomplished. Oh no, not again. Whoa! Well played, egg.